One of my YouTube video went viral and it got over 350,000 views. And unfortunately, YouTube took down the video. Yes, so I decided to make this video to explain to you guys what really happened, why it hurt so much, and what I have learned from this situation that could possibly help you to grow your own YouTube channel without making the same mistakes that I made. All right, so stay tuned. Guys, you all welcome back to my channel. My name is Rambo and I'm a mobile phone technician. So the purpose of this channel was to create tutorial videos to help other phone technicians and also to help mobile phone users to be able to fix their mobile phone related issues at home without having to spend so much money on repairs. Yes, but then some of my subscribers were asking for free videos, free softwares to help them fix their personal phones, and decided to make a free video, a free unlocking video for them. And then after making the video, I uploaded the video. The video started gaining a lot of views because it was very helpful. The video started getting 100k views, from 100k views to 200,000 views, and from 200k views to 350,000 views. The video was getting a lot of engagement, and one fateful morning I received an email from YouTube telling me that the video has been taken down, and this was a very sad moment for me. All right, so let's talk about the pain, the impact that this has actually brought to my YouTube channel. Yeah, so for a moment when the video was going viral, I was actually happy to see one of my video content blowing up on YouTube for the very first time in the past 5 years since I started making videos on YouTube. And then I was kind of frustrated during this situation, because making videos on YouTube takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of effort, takes a lot of research to get the right information and to be able to make it a video content that people can actually learn from. Is very, very difficult. Sometimes you spend late nights editing the videos, the thumbnail, optimizing the video and all of that. So it was a very, very tough situation for me. One of the impact that has actually affected my channel over time is the fact that I lost over 350,000 views. I lost the engagement, I lost the revenue, I lost the momentum. Okay, and then my channel has been on restriction for some days, which means I'm not going to be able to upload video for days until the restriction has been lifted. And apart from the restriction, also the channel has been on strike for 3 good months. You need to read YouTube policy, and sometimes you might not be able to see it coming until the mistake is done. And that is why I decided to make this video to educate others, to educate you that you are watching this video. In case you're planning to create a YouTube channel or you are building a YouTube channel, these are some of the mistakes that you should look out for so that it wouldn't hurt your channel. Okay, so now moving on to the lesson that I have learned with this situation is that just like I told you, building a successful YouTube channel requires a lot of research. It requires a lot of experiment. Sometimes you need to experiment with different topics, different niche to find the one that is suitable for you. Okay, and also it comes with commitment and dedication as well. And one other things that I have learned from this situation is that it is best to focus on the value than just the views. You see, you can actually get a lot of views from one particular video, but at the end of the day, that video can turn out to, hurt your channel in a long way. So it's most important to focus on the value than just focusing on the views. And another thing that I learned from this situation is that mastering the process is another essential part that you need to pay attention to. The cycle of making content on YouTube requires, you creating ideas, writing script for what you're about to present, shooting the video, editing the video, making thumbnail, optimizing the video. All this process is something that you have to master, because we do face burnout. Burnout meaning there is no motivation. You are tired, but you still have to make that content. Yes, even though you don't have the energy to do it, but you still have to do it because you have mastered the process. Okay, so I have also decided to, instead of we just talking about mobile phone repairs on this channel, why don't we bring in more topics on this channel? Why don't I teach you other things that I know? You see, we are not going to stop teaching about mobile phone repairs based on hardware repairs and software repairs. We'll continue to do those training on this channel to help other mobile phone technicians. But then we also have to expand the topic. So for those of you who wants to learn how to grow a YouTube channel, who wants to learn how to make money on YouTube, you want to use YouTube as your side hustle, you want to learn digital marketing, maybe crypto trading, forex trading, video editing, and all of those stuffs, those things are side hustle. If you want to learn any of those things, then you need to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, because we are expanding the topic and we are going to be bringing you more education on every aspect of that, and we are going to merge it with the mobile phone repairs so that this channel can be an educative and impactful channel for every one of us. So guys, I really want to appreciate you guys once again for your support during this period, and also being there for me for the past 4 to 5 years on this YouTube. I really appreciate you guys, and I want to let you know that I will continue to bring you the best content, the best educative content to help you in your day-to-day activities. So guys, that is all for this video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and turn on the notification bell. All right, so if you have actually any question, you can drop it in the comment section and I'll do my best to reply all the comments. Stay blessed.